An automobile repair shop is an establishment where automobiles are repaired by auto mechanics and technicians. Automotive garages and repair shops can be divided into following categories. Some repair shops offer both mechanical and bodywork repair. Automotive repair shops that specialize in bodywork repair are known as body shops. They offer paintwork repairs to scratches, scuffs and dents, as well as repairs to the bodies of vehicles damaged by collisions. Many body shops now offer paintless dent repair. Other repair shops offer auto glass repair. Automotive repair shops that specialize in auto glass repair are known as auto glass repair shops. They offer auto glass repairs to chips, cracks and shattered glass. The types of glass they repair include windshields, car windows, quarter glass and rear windows. This type of damage is often caused by hail, stones, wild animals, fallen trees, automobile theft and vandalism.